Hi, this is Brad with Brad Unboxing. Today's video is, as you can tell, different from the rest. It's very casual, but I wanted to announce that I am going to no longer be uploading new content to YouTube. After this past couple of months of creating videos and uploading them, I find that I have a bigger fan base on Facebook and that my page actually is where I get the most interaction with people who watches my videos. So I wanted to make this video to update everyone that the YouTube page after today will no longer be receiving any more updated content. It will strictly be on my Facebook page, which you can find by searching for @BradUnboxing. I want to thank everybody who's looked at the YouTube so far and liked and commented and subscribed. For those that don't have Facebook and you only watch on YouTube, my page should be available through public where you don't have to have an account or log on. I've made sure all of those settings are set correctly. If you do have problems, please make sure to send me a message and I will do my best to see if there's something else that I can change to allow you to continue to watch the videos. But for me and where I'm at right now, I don't want to monetize. I don't want to try to make money, get sponsorship, and I feel like that's where YouTube wants its content creators to go, whereas Facebook is, just sharing life, sharing a passion and a hobby. But I want to thank everybody, and I look forward to creating more content. I'll be shooting some today and getting that uploaded to Facebook. But thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you look forward to watching content come out on my Facebook page @BradUnboxing.